The new On Duty works a lot like the old On Duty, but it lets you work more efficiently using the latest user interface techniques. Once you sign on to On Duty, you immediately see the main desk, which is organized much like the old main desk. One difference you will notice right away is that in addition to the off-duty section of the screen, you now have a list of employees who are working on another shift from the one you are viewing. This makes it convenient to double shift somebody who is working before or after the current shift. Schedule Properties allows you to edit an employee's work schedule right from the main desk. It takes the place of the Change Employee Shift or Work Hours option in the previous version of On Duty. One great thing about the new Schedule Properties screen is that it lets you see and make changes to the employee's schedule for any day, not just the day you are working with on the main desk. One feature sure to make life easier is being able to see an employee's schedule notes right on the main desk. The default view of the main desk is the Shift view. This is the view that looks like the main desk from the old On Duty. Now, however, you have additional views of the main desk that will help you see the big picture of your agency's schedule. The Day view shows you everyone who is working and not working for the entire day. You can sort by a column simply by clicking on the column header. You can view a multi-level sort by holding the Shift key and clicking on additional columns. If you want to group your data by a particular column, simply drag the column header up to the group box at the top of the list. This creates a familiar tree structure, allowing you to collapse and expand each group for easy access to the information you need. You can group by multiple columns by dragging the additional columns up to the group box. This creates a multi-level tree structure, allowing you to drill down to the information you are looking for. If you want to reorganize the order of your groups, simply drag the column names around in the group box. If you want to remove the grouping, simply drag the column name down from the group and drop it back on the grid. You can resize columns by dragging the right edge of the column header in either direction. To automatically resize the column to the widest entry, double-click on the right edge of the column header. You can hide columns by right-clicking the column header and selecting the Hide Column option. To unhide a column, click on any column header and you will be able to select an option to unhide any column you have hidden. In addition to the Day view, the new main desk also includes a Week view and a Month view. Context-sensitive menus can be displayed by right-clicking on a particular cell in the grid. Menu options change depending on the value in the cell that you click on. Working in the Shift view of the main desk will seem very familiar to you, as you easily change the shift or date you are working with. One brand new feature that will make using On Duty much easier is the ability to drag and drop on the Shift view of the main desk. Drag an employee from the Assignments or Unassigned panel onto the Off-Duty panel to remove him from the schedule. Drag from Off-Duty to Unassigned or Assignments to schedule an off-duty employee on the current shift. Dragging from Unassigned to an open position assigns the employee to that position. Dragging from off-duty to an open position opens the Add to Schedule dialog with the position already filled in. Dragging from assignments to open positions or unassigned clears an employee's assignment, while dragging from unassigned to assignment transfers the assignment to the previously unassigned employee. On Duty no longer requires you to repeat the same operation over and over for multiple employees. Now you can select several employees at once and perform an operation such as removing the selected employees from the schedule or adding them to the schedule in one easy step. We think you will save a lot of time and a lot of steps as you manage your shifts each day in the new On Duty. On Duty now features a report wizard to guide you through the many new reporting features of the software. Select your report, enter your data selections, and then decide what to do with the output of the report. You can preview on the screen before printing or send it to a file in any of these formats: Adobe PDF, Microsoft Excel, HTML web page, TIFF image file, ASCII text file, or rich text file that can be opened in Microsoft Word. Your report preview opens in a window that lets you scroll and page your way through the report before sending it to the printer. If you send the report to a file, you will be asked to select a destination folder and to provide a name for the output file. You can then attach the file to an email or post it to your agency's website. One of the most exciting new features of the new On Duty is a built-in visual report designer. You can add or remove data fields, change page settings, move fields and columns around, and more. The report designer is so powerful that Jivasoft actually used On Duty to design the reports that are included with the software. You'll be able to save your designs under different names so that you can keep different versions of the same basic report. Well, that's the new On Duty. We hope it makes your scheduling tasks easier and makes your job more fun.